Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the English class. Today's date is 29th May 2020. As it is a new day, let us begin with a new poem. The title of the poem is A Book for My Mother. Now, from the title, you can say that this is a poem about a child who wants to give a book to his or her mother. Now, let us come to the objective of today's class. So, the objective is to read the poem with correct pronunciation and intonation. I am repeating it. The objective of today's class is to read the poem with correct pronunciation and intonation. So today we are going to do reading of the poem, the new words with actions. Now let us come to page number 13. As you can see, there are few words on your book, right? So these words are rhyming words. Now, can you remember what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words that ends with the same sound. The ending of the words have the same pronunciation, which have same sound. Okay. Now, let us start reading the words. Read, need, street, sweet, day, way, smile, style, funny, money, thought, pot. So, as you have noticed, the ending of these words have the same sound. That's why these are called rhyming words. Is that clear to you? Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions before going to the reading section. So, have you ever given gifts to your parents on their birthdays? I hope you have given it, right? Most of you have given it. Yes? Now, those who get pocket money, they used to save it, right? They used to save this money, and on the particular day, they used to buy gifts for their parents. But what if you don't have any money? Now, what you're going to do in that situation? Yes, you're going to make it on your own. The way you love making greeting cards, pen stand, or any other stuffs, right? So, the materials available at your home, with that materials you can make something very creative, and you can give it to your parents as a gift. Not only to your parents, to all your well-wishers to whom you want to give. And while you are making with the hand, it becomes much more precious than buying it. Why? Because you have put a lot of hard work in making that material or making that gift, right? And this shows that how much the person is important in your life. Got it? Okay. Now, let's come to the reading of the poem, okay? And this is a poem about a little girl who wants to give a book to her mother on her birthday. Okay, now let's read it out. A book for my mother. My mother loves to read. On her shelf is a book for every need. Of fairies, ghosts, and monsters on the street. Faraway tales, both sour and sweet. Today is her birthday. I need to think of a way to make her smile in my very own style. Let me write a book nice and funny, for which I would need no money. All I would need is one good thought to cook something in the idea pot. So this is how you're going to read the poem. Practice it at your home. Now, let us move towards the new words. As you can see on the board, there are 7 new words that I have written here, right? Let us read it one by one. First is shelf, then cook, idea pot, fairies, smile, monsters, and far away. So you are going to underline these new words on your book. Now let us, now I am going to explain you the meaning of these new words. Shelf. Now what is shelf? Most of you have got shelves at your home, right? Now what are these shelves? These are actually board which are fixed to the wall and where we used to keep things, right? We used to keep lots of things on our shelves. So that is the shelf. Clear? Next is the cook. C-O-O-K, cook. So cook, your mom cooks. Do you know how to cook Maggie? Yes? So how you are going to show the action for the word cook? Right? We will be cooking. Okay. This is the action word. Next is the idea pot. I-D-E-A-P-O-T, pot. How you are going to pronounce it? Idea pot. I-D-E-A-P-O-T, pot. Idea pot. Now what is an idea pot? It is a person's mind. Our mind has lot of ideas and it also includes lot of creativity. Whatever ideas, whatever creativity when you are drawing or when you are making any other things, these ideas comes from where? From our mind, right? That is why it is called the idea pot. Clear? Next is the fairies. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Fairies. Okay? We all know what fairies are, right? Fairies are small creatures with wings which have magical powers. So what are fairies? Fairies are small creatures with wings that have magic power. Clear? Next we have the monsters. Most of you are afraid of monsters, right? So what are monsters? They are big, ugly, scary creatures. Okay? They are very big, ugly and scary creatures. Next is the smile. So we should smile every day, right? And also we must spread smile, right? So how you are going to show the action for the smile? Is that clear to you now? Okay. Next is the far away. Far away means a place that is far off, a place which is at a distance. Okay? So how you are going to show the far away? Far away. Far away. Okay? So that is the meaning of the far away is a place that is far off. Is that clear to you? So these are the 7 new words with the meanings. I hope you have understood the meanings and practiced the action also. Clear? Now, also you have to memorize and learn the spellings of these new words. So this we have come to the end of today's class. So in today's class, what we did? We did the rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words which or that ends with the same sound, right? So these are called rhyming words. Then we did the reading of the poem A Book for My Mother, right? And the last we did was the new words with some action. Is that clear to you? Okay. So I'll be wrapping my class here today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.